Welcome guys to another Python video. Today we will be using the Selenium WebDriver library. We are going to make the first steps in order to configure all our system, and the idea is to end by creating a script that loads a Google page for its own. The first step would be to enter into Google and go to Settings, enter About Chrome, and check what version are we currently using in our website. Here, as you can see, I have the 109 version, so the second step is go to Google, search for chromedriver, enter into downloads, and download the version that matches with our Chrome version, right? Here I will select Windows, but you can choose whatever system you currently have. So we will download this. Once the download is finished, we are going to create a new folder here in our system, and that is going to be called chromedriver. Right. Okay, here as you can see, I have already downloaded the chromedriver, so I will cut this and paste it on our chromedriver folder that we already created. So this is going to be the path. Okay guys, once we have downloaded our chromedriver, we are going to open our Visual Studio and we are going to create a new Python file that is going to be called TechForAll.py. And here we are going to import our Selenium library and also our WebDriver. From Selenium, import WebDriver. Okay, here please make sure that you have installed the Selenium library. If you don't, please go to terminal, new terminal, and write here pip install Selenium. Here I have already installed the Selenium library, but please make sure that you have done the same. Yeah, we're going to write C options as a new variable, ch options equals to webdriver.Chrome options function. Another variable is going to be driver equal to webdriver.Chrome, and here we're going to use a variable called executable path, and we will need to write the path where our chromedriver executable is. Here you can see that the chromedriver is in this location. This is the path, so I'm going to copy and paste it on the Visual Studio here. And finally we are going to use driver.get, and with this function we can select whatever the website that you want to visit. So now our script, as an example, is going to visit google.com. So I'm going to copy the link and I will paste it here. After this, I will save our file, our Python file, with Ctrl+S. We will click on the right button, run Python file in terminal, and see what happened. Here, as you can see, our Python code has opened the google.com page, so Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next